game. Nagbabasa si Eman. Nagpe-page siya. Next. Basa.
Us.
Ibig sabihin ng us, tayo, marami. Okay? Basa. God's.
God work.
Very good. God's work. Next.
God made all things, Baba. God made all things but for us.
Para sa atin daw yung ginawa ng Diyos. Lahat ng bagay.
God's will
Work.
work is seen in all these things. Ano yun?
God's work is seen in all things. Makikita mo daw lahat ng ginawa ng Diyos sa lahat ng mga things, lahat ng bagay.
God can see us. God is love.
Nakikita niya raw tayo anywhere. Tapos, siya ay love.
God made all
Thing.
things for us.
Next. We
can see the things
we can see the things.
God made for us.
Nakikita daw natin lahat ng gawa niya.
God's work is seen in all things.
Tama. Sasagutin na natin ha. Basta we
need green.
kailangan daw nila ng green.
Bakit daw?
Magpipintura sila. Yellow plus blue equals green.
Yellow plus blue equals green.
Pag pinagsama mo raw yung yellow tsaka blue, green.
Long siya.
Tama, green plus yellow tsaka blue equals green. Ito na. Put the right word on the blank. God, example lang.
God made all things.
Ang sagot ay made. God.
God made all things for us.
Sulat mo. Ayusin mo yung sulat mo. Ano sagot mo, Eman? AS? AS ba?
Ito lang us.
Hala, pare-pareho yan. As tsaka as. Ito, as. As tayo. As. AS. Is. Tumingin ka dito. Kakain muna.
Wait! Is made.
Hanapin mo yan dito. God is made. Hanapin
Kita
mo.
ko God. God.
Yan yung sagot?
Yes.
Yan. Tama. God is love.
Done.
Ay, ayusin mo. Burahin mo yan. Hindi ganyan. Burahin mo yan. Ang laki ng V mo.